Hey friends, it's April Dunn with April Dunn Real Estate, and today I am going to take you guys on a tour through my home office. So, this office is used for my stock and foreign currency trading once a week, but Monday through Saturday you can find me here working my real estate business. Let's first start off here. This is my vision board. I look at this every time I step into the room and sit at my desk. It reminds me of my why and why I'm doing what I'm doing. I have my television here that I keep on real estate news. I also check out lots of YouTube videos and do a lot of training. Here is my water beverage cooler as well as my PlayStation. Of course, a girl has to unwind every now and then and decompress. This mirror is facing my desk. Whenever I'm on the phone, I have to look and see what my face looks like because obviously it's going to translate over the phone. So I need to make sure I'm smiling. There's my Obama memorabilia, my New York, Tokyo, and London clocks. Here is my bar where I keep my spirits when I want to have a glass of wine after a long day. The back of my office, there's my files, my file cabinet. I have some things on my wall that make me smile. Shout out to Papa in Waco, Texas for the done deal rug that I have there. I have my magazine cover when I hit executive with my network marketing business. I have some EXP file folders, my lockbox, my soul key that I like my clients to hold up when we are closing. And there is some other little knickknacks there. Here are my books that I read for self-development. I've read all of these books, so I need to replace some of these or reread them. There's my selfie light when I'm recording my reels and my videos, and my real estate license. So if anyone questions whether or not I'm licensed, I can always just shoot them that little picture of the real estate license there. I have some additional seating here, and then here on my desk you will find, all of my office stationery, my extra laptop, my iPad. I have my business cards, my extra set of eyeglasses. Obviously you have to have toothpicks. That's the important thing. That football is my stress reliever. When I'm on the phone, I squeeze on that. I have my laptop here, my file folders with my important real estate master copies and documents. And then, of course, the mug that my mom gave me for my birthday. It says I'm a badass daughter. Gotta have that. And then you have to have comfortable seating, obviously a comfortable desk if you're going to be sitting in this office for hours. So, it's hard sometimes to get out of bed and go to a home office and get to work. But I wanted to make this space something where I could feel productive and some place that made me smile. So I hope you guys enjoyed touring my home office. This is where I guide and educate everyday people into making solid real estate decisions. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a great day.